Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to permanently solve the referenced account is currently locked and may not be logged onto in Windows 11. Let's go start. Wait for the lockout duration to expire. Windows locks the account for a default period, usually 30 to 60 minutes, without allowing attempts to log in. You can simply wait for this duration to end and then try logging in again. Step 2. If you have another account with administrative rights on your computer, use it to log in. Step 3. If you can't access any other account, you can use Safe Mode to enable the built-in administrator. Hold the Shift key and click Power while selecting Restart. It's the new interface navigator and goes to Troubleshoot. Choose an option Troubleshoot click. Then go to the Advanced options. Choose the Startup settings under Advanced options. Then click Restart. After restart, press F4 to start and enable Safe Mode. This account often has no password by default in Safe Mode. In the Windows search box, type the local security policy, then click Local Security Policy. To open Security Settings, and click on Account Policies. Then click Account Lockout Policy. On the right side, click on Account Lockout Threshold. Account will lock out after set value 0. Close the windows and restart your computer or laptop. Under Options, click Restart. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.